All right, guys, you're welcome to another exciting problem here again. And this is question 50, the very last question on this differentiation challenge. So the next question will be on another topic. Okay, so we are very confident that with this number of questions we have solved on differentiation, you're good to go on differentiation. But if you still have any doubt, please just put it down in the comment section. Okay, so let us see how we can differentiate this function. It says if y is equal to sine 2x cubed plus 3x minus 4. Find dy dx. Of course, we already done stuff that is very similar to this one. So I told you if you have y is equal to, let's say, sine 4x, for instance, and they want you to differentiate this function, the first you want to do is to differentiate the argument of sine, which is 4x. And when you differentiate 4x, you just get 4. And now now you differentiate sine 4x as itself. So you're going to get cos 4x, right? That is how to differentiate functions like this. So now, coming to this particular problem, you have y is equal to sine 2x cubed plus 3x minus 4. And right now, they want you to find the first derivative of y with respect to x. The first thing you want to do is to differentiate the argument of sine, and that is 2x cubed plus 3x minus 4. So when you differentiate that, what do you get? You get, when you differentiate 2x cubed, you get 6x squared. When you differentiate 3x, you get 3. And when you differentiate negative 4, you get 0. So we have differentiated the inner function or the argument. The next thing we want to do from here is to differentiate sine as itself. So when you differentiate sine, you get cos. So that means when you differentiate sine 2x cubed plus 3s minus 4, you're going to get cos 2x cubed plus 3s minus 4. And that would be the final answer. So 2x cubed plus 3x minus 4. So guys, this is the final answer to this question, and this is the last question on differentiation. So I'm sure so far this has been helpful. And if you really want us to, if you have any topic in mind that you want us to move into after now, put it down in the comment section and we will consider it. So thank you very much for watching. If you find value, kindly share to other learners, and I'll see you in the next video challenge. Bye and God bless.